Well, here's all our new gadgets. Signal generator set on 100 megahertz. Spectrum analyzer, 100 megahertz. Scope, 100 megahertz. So I got this guy set for AM amplitude modulating. I can say, turn the modulation on, and you can see it's amplitude modulating, and oh, it's amplitude modulating. It's got stuff going on there. Turn the modulation off, turn the modulation on. I think I can say modulation, square wave, sine wave. Ooh, that's pretty. And we can say, let's modulate 100%. Ooh, and let's modulate at 1 hertz. Look at that. So I'm gonna get it all strapped down. Nothing can fall over, but I don't like that. This guy can slide back and forth. I gotta put something in there to hold that in place. This guy's okay and that guy's okay. They don't move when you push the buttons. A little bit. So I have to figure out how to tie those down. They're so small. So I'm gonna put the big guy down here, right in that spot. We'll have room for stuff down there. We'll have room for stuff up here. We got a cable rack, so it's going together.